Hey there, welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today I've got this Magnavox DVD VCR combo, the 2-in-1 device to show you. The model number of it is DV225MG9. Alright, and before we get started, a quick fun fact for you. Did you know that JVC actually invented the VHS tape? The name JVC stands for Japan Victory Company, so it was obviously made in Japan. And then, so, to start, on the rear panel you've got your composite input and output for regular VHS playback, and then the input is for recording. And then you've got component output for just for DVD. And then you've got S-video, your audio output, and your coaxial output for digital audio. And then to hook it up, you just match up the red, white, and yellow to the back of the VCR. Make sure you plug it into the outputs and not the inputs. And then once you've got it all wired up, you should be able to power it on and get a signal. Then you can go ahead and insert a VHS and playback will begin automatically. And then you can also insert a DVD, and once that loads, it will start up automatically. You just have to switch it to the DVD side, and you can do that with the remote, or you can do that with the button on the front. And then, so with the remote, you've got all of your functions that you need. You've got play, stop, rewind, fast forward. You've got the display button if you want to look at the info. And then you've got your setup button right here, so you can access the menus if you need to adjust anything. And then you've got a couple other buttons on here. You've got an eject button on it, so you don't have to get up to eject the DVD or the VHS. But that's pretty much it. Play back your VHS tapes and your DVDs all in one unit. Makes it really easy so you don't have to mess with all the inputs on the TV. But if you want to order one, give us a call or check out our online store.